Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guide sound setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you how can you off this touch sound. Guys, the touch sound guys, you want to off guys, you don't like it, so guys you can off. In this video guys, I will show you how to off it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. Oh, before starting with the friends, I want to tell you if you need my channel and you are watching on the first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. After that guys, you will have to click on sound setting. This sound setting guys, then guys scroll it and guys come on touch sound. So guys, you can see this right option, so you will have to click here. Then guys, touch sound will off in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off touch sound in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will move to next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.